Hey guys, it's Titus, and this is the last video I'm gonna make on the volcano, unless I'm gonna make a video heading back if you see anything. And there's gonna be a lot of little shortcuts, or little like random videos, because there's a lot of crazy stuff here. So yeah, I'm gonna record the last until we get to the end, and then I'll end it. And if I see something cool while we're heading back, I'll go ahead and set up a new video and make a little thing. So yeah, I'll let you guys look at the front. Right now we're just in the middle of nowhere. Ooh, it's over here. Oh, looking point. I think I didn't end the video right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, look at this. Oh my gosh. I mean, I did a little short, another thing that showed pretty much all what we're seeing here, but this one's way better. That's where the volcano erupted, just so you guys know, because we're on a volcano right now. So yeah, I flex. Look at that. Look over there. Oh my god. It's so crazy. Okay, I'm gonna shut up for a minute and let you guys just look at this.
Crazy how much lava it's the fault line. Crap.
You guys can go ahead. Wait, hold on. Oh, my mom's. You're not authorized to come out here.
You're not either.
Fair point. Also gives you even better view because there's no fence.
It's shady right here is why I came here.
Oh, it looks awesome. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Mary, 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 Mary. I'm on my way. Okay.
For real.
What is that plant? Well, let me put
Tree.
it's right there. Right,
Similar to the
right there. It looks like a plant.
Just walk right over to the edge of the crater. There's like a 200 to 300 foot straight down drop.
Yeah.
All the way down into solid lava rock. With no
crazy.
railing or
Alright, I'm gonna head back out and I need to talk louder. Okay. I'm gonna head back out here. Oh, there's a little entrance right here. So head back out here. Hold on, I'm gonna take zoom. Here's my mom. Get up over. Hey mama. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Area codes, let's read this. All National Park Service area beyond this point closed to public use and travel because of emergency conditions. No, no, man. Oh, there's no lookout point here. Here's you guys look here. And another good lookout point. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see better than you. Oh.
About had enough?
Yeah.
I can get farther. I know you can.
Oh, look at that little like rear plane right there. It's really cool. I think we should head back. What do you think?
I think we should head back. No, we're basically just walking around the crater at this point.
Alright, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and if you do all those things, I love you. Alright, bye.